While Twitter diplomacy may have a few merits, tweets may not be the best medium to announce policy decisions regarding sensitive matters of global importance. First up, however, the incumbent of the White House quite obviously disagrees with this notion, as Donald Trump's recent tweet on the Golan Heights has proved. First up, after 52 years, it is time for the US to fully recognize Israel's sovereignty over the Golan Heights. President Trump tweeted recently, eliciting a strong response from the Middle East. First up, it seems the fact that the Golan is Syrian territory illegally occupied by Israel and recognized by the world as such matters little where the US leader and his coterie of pro-Israel hawks are concerned. First up, while the Israelis reacted gleefully to Mr. Trump's act of generosity, others in the Middle East were not quite so pleased. Syria itself has said that Mr. Trump's action, first up, reflects the US contempt for international legitimacy and blind bias towards Israel. First up, the Arab League, Turkey, Iran and Russia have also slammed the American move strongly. First up, the fact is that Mr. Trump's move is part of a familiar pattern of appeasement of Israel and disdain of Arabs in general and Palestinians in particular. First up, this is only the latest in a series of moves emanating from the Trump White House to have exposed the current US administration's true inclinations in the Middle East. First up, for example, late in 2017, the US recognized Jerusalem as Israel's capital, going against international consensus that the holy city is disputed territory. This year, the decision to merge the US consulate in Jerusalem, which principally dealt with Palestinian affairs with the American embassy, was also seen as a snub to the Arab side, while Washington's support for illegal Israeli